Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. This is a feature Robinhood didn't offer in the past, but now you're able to transfer crypto in and out of your account. First, open the Robinhood app and go to your holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For example, Bitcoin. Scroll down and you'll see the options for send and receive. To send crypto, tap send. Robinhood will ask you to complete some extra verification steps such as enabling two-factor authentication. Once that's set up, enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Confirm the transfer and your crypto will be sent. To receive crypto, tap Receive. This will display your Robinhood wallet address. You can either copy the address or use the QR code to receive crypto from another wallet. And that's it. That's how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.